In this video, I'm going to explain step by step how to use the La Paz Teleferico. Instead of a train system or a metro system, La Paz has a cable car system connecting you around the city. You can see on the screen here a map of the Teleferico system so that you can see what it looks like. Now, before I explain how you purchase your tickets and how the system works, do be aware that if you are going to Bolivia, I would recommend getting travel insurance. Firstly, because Bolivia does not quite have the hygiene standards of other neighboring countries, so you need to be careful about what food you are eating. And also, if you are going to the lowlands of the country, there are viruses such as yellow fever that you do have to take into account. So that is why I have put a link down below in the description and the comment section to an affordable travel insurance provider where you pay as you go. Now, in terms of how you do use the Teleferico system, it is relatively simple. So what you want to do is you want to head down to one of the Teleferico stations. Inside the station, there will be a ticket office with a person or people working there. You go to the ticket office, you tell the worker which destination you want to go to, and then you pay for your ticket in cash in Bolivianos. They do not accept bank card at the time I record this video. So at the time I record this video, if you are just traveling on one line to get to your destination, it costs 3 Bolivianos. If you need to transfer to another line, so you're traveling on 2 lines in total, that costs you 5 Bolivianos. And if you're traveling on 3 lines, so 2 transfers, that costs you 7 Bolivianos. I've put on the screen here the exchange rates at the time of recording in US dollars, so you can see that the prices are pretty affordable in US dollars. Once you pay for your ticket, you do get a paper ticket with a QR code reader. You go to the barriers, you scan the QR code on the QR code reader, and then the barriers will open for you. Now, it is important to note that if you are transferring between one or between 2 lines, do not lose your ticket with the QR code, because you need that exact same ticket with the exact same QR code to get through the next set of barriers when you transfer lines. As I said, you do need cash for these Teleferico journeys, but the good thing about Bolivia is that for most major banks, if you have a foreign bank card, then you will not have to pay any withdrawal fees at any of these major bank ATMs. For example, I can recommend Mercantil Santa Cruz Bank. I used this ATM at the airport and there was no withdrawal fee. However, the best thing to do in Bolivia to make your money go further is, instead of using the ATMs to get your cash, actually use either Western Union or MoneyGram, because the exchange rates on Western Union and MoneyGram are better than the official bank rates. The official bank rate is that $1 US is about 7 Bolivianos, but if you use either Western Union or MoneyGram, $1 US can get you around 10 Bolivianos. So basically, you get 40% extra money. Now, if you do have further questions on how to use either MoneyGram or Western Union, or if you have any questions on how to use the Teleferico, do comment below and I will help you out. Otherwise, if you have found this video useful, do click like and do subscribe.